The Anker USB-C charger block 20W Nano Pro with PIQ 3 technology is designed for users who want fast, reliable, and compact charging without carrying bulky adapters. From the first use, it feels like a premium accessory built with attention to efficiency and portability. The small form factor makes it ideal for travel, office desks, and everyday carry, especially for users who rely heavily on USB-C devices such as smartphones, earbuds, and smaller gadgets. Despite its compact size, the 20W output is strong enough to support fast charging for compatible devices, significantly reducing downtime compared to standard low-watt chargers. It works particularly well with modern smartphones that support fast charging protocols, delivering a stable and consistent power flow. The PIQ 3 technology helps optimize charging performance by intelligently adjusting power delivery based on the connected device, ensuring both speed and safety during use. One of the most noticeable strengths is its portability. It easily fits into pockets, small pouches, or travel kits without adding any noticeable weight. This makes it a great option for frequent travelers or anyone who wants to minimize cable and adapter clutter. The build quality also reflects Anker's reputation for durability, with a solid exterior that feels resistant to everyday wear and heat during long charging sessions. Safety is another key highlight, with built-in protections against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. This gives added peace of mind when charging expensive devices overnight or during long working hours. While it may not be intended for high-power devices like laptops, it performs exactly as expected for smartphones and compact electronics. Overall, this charger stands out as a dependable everyday solution for fast, efficient, and safe charging in a minimal design.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.